1, 2, 3, come on!
Hi friends, we are extremely thankful to you all for being safe at home, staying away. Almost the lockdown relaxation has been partial now at present. We are all come out of a homely isolation now at present, partially free. But we do not know what has happened. We do not know what's happening. We will not know what will happen. It's all happening now because of this virus, which is making a fear mongering along the world, east to west. And in India, it's also producing a lot of poverty, the aggregation, and the economic slowdowns. Here, we have to develop ourselves a personality to adapt to any environment. We have to develop an organized attitude and behavior which makes the individual distinct. We have to compare ourselves. We are all been comparing with others. Don't compare life with others. Don't have negative thoughts. Don't think about things that you can't control. Instead, invest on the energy in the positive present moments. Don't waste your precious energy on gossips. Dream more while you are awake and do what can be done for the given situations. Don't think about extraordinary things. The health is a most important wealth now at present. If you are not healthy, whatever wealth, it will disappear within a minute. That's what we have learned actually. Health is the most important aspect. You have to maintain a good health. Drink plenty of water. Eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a beggar. And you have to burn the calories. Eat more food that grows from the trees. Eat more foods, they are green. Live with energy. Live with enthusiasm and empathy. You have to make time for prayer. Pray, 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 keep praying actually. That is most important mantra of success. You are away from your regular activities. You are partially now at present has come to the terms. Now you have to improve your skills and spend time for playing games. Exercise is most important mantra of making physically fit. You have to read more books. If you are unread last hour, you are uneducated next hour. You are unread last minute, you are uneducated next minute. You have to relax and sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours a day. Take 30 minutes to walk every day. While you walk, you relax, you smile. Laughter therapy is most important mantra of keeping your heart free of blockages. Condemning somebody is not going to solve any problem. You criticize somebody, it's not going to solve any problem. You complain something, you are not going to solve any problem. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Keep appreciating everybody. Encourage everybody. Appreciation is the one which brings you a good peace of mind. Whatever you tell, it will come back to you. If you are angry with somebody, the anger comes back. If you are happy with somebody, the happiness comes back. And if you appreciate somebody, the appreciation comes back. You have to be genuinely interested in other people. You have to keep smiling. Be a good listener. You learn and be a good listener. Unless you be a good listener, you can't be a good performer. You encourage others to talk about themselves. You have to show respect to other person, whatever they may be in front of you. Never say you are wrong. It is his opinion. The profession, now medical profession, it all happens. Second, third opinion, fourth opinion. First opinion is the best opinion. Second, third opinions are just for the sake of confusing the patient. In anything in the life, If you are wrong, admit it quickly and empathetically. Begin in a friendly way. Try honestly to see things from other person's point of view. It is his point of view. You may be correct, he may be wrong, but it is his point of view. A leader's job is to change your people's attitude and behavior. You can't change the people's behavior within a month or two actually. Social distancing, sanitizing, and also putting a mask like inner wear prevent you from corona. But it's going to happen in public, in common, in uniform manner. It's very difficult to change. But you have to keep on telling the people to change. Praise people with honest appreciation. Call attention to the people's mistakes indirectly. Don't point out the finger. Talk about your own mistake before criticizing other person. Ask questions instead of giving direct orders. Use encouragement as a weapon. Make the fault seems easy to correct. Tell them that it is easy to change. You find out the way in which you can change the people. Make other person happy about doing the things you suggest. But if you act to change, the only thing will bring change in the community. Don't think about future. Future is mystery. Yesterday is history. What is today is the gift. Just live each day until bedtimes, as though you are going to die in the evening. Put your effort to improve yourself. Put your effort to perform in a situation in which you are living, in an environment in which you are living. Ask yourself what is worse than that happened possibly. Already happened. If you make yourself ready for worse things, the further things, whatever happening, it will be easy for you to live. Prepare yourself mentally to accept the worst if necessary. Then calmly try to improve upon worst, which you have already mentally agreed to accept it actually. Your problem can be solved, no need to worry about it. But your problem cannot be solved, there is no point in worrying about it. There are two things in life, whether ill or well. If you are ill, you have to worry. If you are well, no need to worry. If you are ill, there are two things in the life, whether you are going to die or live. If you are going to live, no need to worry. If you are going to die, there are two things in that actually, whether you are going to heaven or hell. If you are going to heaven, no problem. But if you are going to hell, don't worry, a lot of friends are there to meet actually, no problem. Nothing is problem unless you make it as a problem. Get the fact. Half the worry in the world caused by people trying to make decisions before they have sufficient knowledge to assemble the fact. After carefully weighing all the fact, come to the decision. Once decision is reached carefully, you act. That is the mantra of management. Find out what is the problem, what is the cause of problem, what are all possible solutions, what is the best solution for the given situation. The given situations can change at any time actually. Don't be loud. Learn to speak soft. Know when to speak. Don't be afraid to talk to others. Tell your problem to others. Half of the problem will get solved. Have a sense of humor. Always you make the things in a humorous way. Remember, personality doesn't mean that you should have looks. Be kind and considerate. That itself will be a best personality. Be kind and considerate. That itself being a best personality. You have to keep your head cool. Don't be aggressive. Don't doubt yourself. Be in executive dress. That will bring you a lot of laurels in the society. Create your own personal style. Don't copy anyone actually. Winners are never disheartened with obstacles. Always they like obstacles. And lead by example in what they don't do with focus and confidence. They always lead by example. They don't talk about it actually. Hard work and consistency is most important. Never give up attitudes is most important. Focus and determination is most important. Strategic planning and the deliverance is most important. Self-confidence is important. Time management is important. Practical thinking is important. Positive thinking is important. May you all know peace, love and light and laughter will bring you laurels in the community. Man has everything inside. Man has a superpower within. Man has a man within. Man has a devil within. If you bless others, you are a superpower. If you Help others, you are a man. And if you curse others, you look like a devil. So you have everything within you actually. How you behave, it brings you your personality. Thank you very much. May God bless everybody. Thank you.